All right guys, today I'm going to do a quick install video of our A-arm support gussets for the KRX 1000. We have the upper and lower kit, kit A, kit B here. We get a lot of questions about how to install these. People wanted directions, so on and so forth. It's quicker to simply sit down and do a video than it is to try to type that out and post pictures and all that kind of stuff. So today we're going to do it. Quickly getting into it, I'm going to open up our packaging. Now this vent bracket, this is your lower, and then you're going to have two of the straights. These are going to be for your front upper. Okay, so I'm going to put one bolt on each side of these Obor tires. Now I should also mention that today too. So today we're going to install these on the Obor tires full access UTV KRX 1000. I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with Obor tires. Wyatt can check them out, show you what they look like. This is their 34, 10, 15. If no one's familiar with Obor, Obor is who makes the System 3 tires. The compounds are the same. The tires are awesome. We've been doing a bunch of snow wheeling and everything else in this, but they are just as sticky as the System 3s. So huge shout out to those guys. They're a little difficult to get. You can get them on Amazon and stuff right now, but Bruce is working through everything. So hopefully dealers like me and other people can get them, but awesome tires. So back to what I was saying. Okay, so uppers, lowers. Matter of fact, I will start with a lower, show you how to put that on, and then we'll do uppers and probably cut. So get in here. Now, where is my 18? Okay, so on the lowers, oops. All you want to do is get this nut off, pretty much. So. I'm going to switch to the other side. Okay. Now, easiest way is to just drop it. I like to drop it from the passenger side to the driver's side. You flip it through. Put it on there. And that was it. Now let me jump up and do one thing. I'm going to grab the Loctite. That's who I am and my background. I usually Loctite these kind of things, but maybe Wyatt and stand back and I'll show everybody something. So we've had a lot of different people call that this does not fit. The reason being is your frame and your tabs are already bent. It's that simple. We have checked these on so many factory UTVs down at the local dealer too. I mean, we just got Travis is in here. He has a brand new ES. He put 40 miles on it and he couldn't get it to sit on. So the trick is basically take a jack, put it underneath the front of the car and lift it up and get the weight of the tires off of it, and you'll literally see it'll fit on. So that's been one of the big things, but to me it's kind of amazing that just simply the weight of the tires on the vehicle just drooping is enough to bend out your tabs in your frame, but that's how UTVs are. So that's that. That's one of the, if you have an issue, that's usually where it's located. So okay, so I'm going to finish tightening these up. And then I'll get to the top. So right now I'll probably do a quick cut. All right, guys, so we just realized too, when I sat down, I must have lost mic, so you're gonna hear the audio in and out, but that is the lower mount, and that is installed. I'm gonna get a couple good shots of that. So that basically braces the left to the right. So it can't flex and move anymore like we were talking about, even the jack making a difference. We've pretty much eliminated that now, and it can't do it. So it's just a great way to go. I mean, it's one of those things I think any KRX owner should do. And the other reason too is these mounts here are actually ripping out. So again, being whole, they're just shredding out. And I mean, there's more than enough pictures on our site showing all the damage that it does to these things, but that fixes that. So next, I'm gonna get to the uppers. Wyatt's gonna show you basically what the uppers look like stock. And then we'll get these in there. Okay. I don't know what you're showing them over there. But it can't be very exciting, because wrenching isn't exciting. Matter of fact, where's that electric ratchet at? Let's make it less boring. Okay, so in the uppers, you're actually replacing these bolts because you need a longer bolt. Okay, so again, you're going to replace this nut and the bolt. So they're different thread pitches and everything else. So make sure you can discard these for now. Let me grab one of the new ones. And a tab. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just kind of set your brace going across. And start putting in this. I guess that's one thing to mention too that I have to explain a lot on the phone is as soon as you pull this bolt, everybody thinks the suspension is going to move out and everything. Obviously it doesn't, and you just saw me do that. So I'm putting that in, and then I'm going to have to come through. I'm going to stick it through the other side a little bit and put the other cross brace on. Well, this one's a little trickier because of the winch and everything, but still fits right through. Until you drop it. Okay, now I got it set on there. What I'm going to try to do is get my nut on there a little bit, just to keep it from falling off so I can go to the other side. It is not easy. Try it with the other hand blind. Come on. Okay. always difficult to talk and work and focus, but that's it. This one should just slide right in there. And I'm going to get it through the other side again, just a little bit, and then start bringing that other cross brace up to it. Just about right there. Okay, that's it. Where am I at? Right there. Now, as you see, we include a serrated lock nuts. So when you put these in, you only have to really crank down this side, and that should be it. So as far as the installation, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go back and Loctite because of the video. I forgot to do it, but I'm going to Loctite these right now and crank them in. But it's a real simple install. It's one of those things you got to do. You don't even have to be abusive to these things for whatever reason. The diameter of the metal around the A-arms and the shocks is an issue, and we sell all the braces for it. So again, please click that like and subscribe. We'll do a bunch more install videos for you guys and other cool stuff coming up. So we're going to San Hollow too. So see you guys later.